So this is KlymaxERP, the school model. This is from school management. So I'll start you from the quick launch. So this is the quick launch. This will have some features or the quick way to get to some of the features in the system. The next one is the dashboard. I'll show you the dashboard. So quickly, the dashboard gives you a summary of everything that is happening in the school, so you can see. And the first one is, it shows you the total population. It shows you fees collected today, total fees collected, that's for the whole term. Then it gives you outstanding fees. It also gives you daily expenditure, monthly expenditure, and global search. The global search just helps you to search for students, and these are the things that you can do when a student appears. So when a student appears, you can view the student's biodata, delete student record. You can make payment of fees. If you click here, you'll be able to make fee payment from here. And then you can view fee payment history. You can view academic performance. And then when you go down, you have breakdown of payment. So it will tell you that when it comes to school fees, this is how much has been collected. When it comes to feeding, this is how much has been collected. And this is for the whole term, and this one will be for the current day that you are in. Then we have birthdays. So for each day, all the students that are celebrating their birthdays will be listed here, and then you can easily click to send them SMS. Once you click, it will pick a birthday message template and then send it to them automatically. Then over here you have revenue type bar chart here. So it will tell you how much has been paid, how much fee is there, and then how much has been paid. When you come down, this is the demography of your students. It tells you the percentage of males over females, and tells you every class and the total number of students in the class. Then when you come down, it gives you a further breakdown where it will tell you class basic 7, these are the number of students. Class 1, it will tell you all those breakdown. And then the last one is the class attendance. So when attendance is taken, it will appear here. It will tell you this class, you have a total population of, let's say, 100, but only 50 was present today. So basically that's a dashboard. It gives you a summary of everything. Then we have accounting system built in. So you have your account group, chart of accounts. You have opening balance for those who are already owing. Then we have journals, which you can use to make corrections in your account. You can also set your default accounts, like the account you want to use for collection of school fees, the account you want to use for tuition, for bus fees and all that. You can set those ones up. We have financial transactions, expenses. So over here, you can record your expenditure for the day, or expenses that has gone into the running of the school by coming to new expense, and then you can enter the details. You select the appropriate account, and then you can save, and those things will reflect on the dashboard. We have bank lists, which will help in your payroll preparation. We have bank transactions. Then we have school setup. So in the school setup, you can set up departments, staff details. I can show you a preview. So these are staff details. When you come here, you are able to set up staff details. You enter, you can scan their picture, you can upload pictures for each staff. You can do that as well. We have subject bank. This is where you set up all the subjects that are taken in the school, and then you can assign it to classes. You can assign the subjects to classes. You can assign teachers to specific subjects as well. So that's that. So you can enter as many subjects or courses that are taken in your school. Then we have classes. So you set up various classes and the class teachers as well, and then the class type, whether it's a preschool, crèche, lower primary, upper primary, junior high, senior high, whatever, you set it up, and then it's used to. And for each class, you must specify when there's a promotion, the next class that the person goes to, that's the promote to. So let's say like KG2. Let's see. So KG2, when the person completes, is supposed to be promoted to basic 1. So you change it to basic 1, and that's that. So you see that basic 1, when the person is completed, he goes to B. I say KG2, when the person is completing, he goes to the next class as well. So you can see all that. Now we have scholarships. So this is for management of scholarships. So if you have scholarship scheme in your school, these are scholarship schemes you can set up, and the percentage of scholarship you are given, whether it's on tuition or whether it's on the total fees, you can specify it as well. Then we have houses. So you can set up various houses in the school, and then you can apply it to student details when we move forward. Now the next one, we have online admission. This is supposed to quickly help the school with online admission. Instead of printing papers and giving it out for admissions, you can just initiate an online admission from here, which is very, very simple. You click on new, and then you enter the first few details of the student, like the first name, middle name, last name. You select gender, nationality, and then you specify the class the person is at wants admission for. You enter the email address, and then you enter the phone number. Once you save, the system will create a link, a form link, and send it to the phone number that the parent can click on, or the student can click on, and then fill the student form. And then will submit it, so the administrator will receive it in the school. So it will be listed here. Then with that, you will be able to admit the student when the details provided meets your school's requirement. You can admit straight from here, and then once you admit, it moves the student's data into the main student database. So now this is the student list. So all your students will be listed here. You can filter by this student status, you can filter by class, you can filter by gender, you can filter by nationality. So this is the list. You can search through the list. You can also import the list, some from Excel and stuff like that. So that's that. So if you want to set up a new student, you just add new student, and then you see we have all the details that you need. You have contact details, previous school, parent details, sponsorship, which is the scholarship. So over here, you see the scholarship is here, and then you just select it, and then this will be admission status. So that's that. So we have everything covered. The next one is student IDs. So with this one, you should be able to generate student IDs for your students. So things like this, you should be able to generate it for your students. You can also do, so this is student archival. So when students complete the school, so when they get to JSS 3 or Form 3, SHS 3 or whatever, when they complete, their details will be archived here automatically. So you can come here, search through, view details, blah blah blah. You can see details of the student when they have completed. Next one is billing. This is where you prepare bills for students. So over here, you prepare bills for your students. So the first thing you do is you do bill components. So the various components that makes up the bill, you set it up here per class. And then when you are done, you can even copy from one class to the other. So let's say you've prepared bill for nursery 1 and you want to use the same bill, or you use a modified one for nursery 2, you can just select nursery 1 and then copy to nursery 2, and then you begin copy, and that's it. It will be copied to nursery 2, so you don't have to repeat yourself over and over and over. Once you do that, you can come here and prepare the bills. So this is one of the bills that we've prepared. So when you come here, you do new bill, and then you can do the bill. You can add bill details by typing the various components or loading it from fee components. So you select one of the classes, and then you can add the bills. You see it's added, so it will add all the bills for you, and that is it. When you come here, you realize that the total has increased, and that is that. Then bill allocation. No, one more thing. So after this, you post the bill, and then all the students are affected, and whatever bill the student is owing becomes an arrears, and then we move to the appropriate quarters, and then it can reflect in the student's bill. And then we have fee allocation. Fee allocation is used to assign special fees to special individuals in the school. So if there's somebody in the school that takes special meals, so you want to charge for those special meals, you can do that allocation to only that student. So what you can do is, when you select the class of the student, it will load all the bills and the student for you. So let's say those who go for computer classes, you are charging them computer user fee. So you can do this, and then you select all those who attend the computer class or coding class, whatever it is. Then you allocate the fees to them, so it will affect only them, but it won't affect those who have not been checked. So that's fee allocation. We have fee invoices. Those are the bills. I'll show you a sample very soon. And then fee payment. You have fee payment. This is where payment of fees happens. You can see the statistics at the top. You can have fee report from here. For each student, you can do fee payment, and this is processing of fee. So for this person, this is how much is owing. We have various types of payment. You can do Momo, you can do card, you can do all that. So these are the various types of fees or payment types that you can use. So card, cash, check, mobile money, and all that. And then once you do that, you enter the amount, and then you can save payment. We have this one. This one is, so that's it. If you click on that, but I think you are able to do itemized fees payment, because some people want to always clear the tuition fee first before they do other payments. So when you come here, you can select tuition fee, and then you come here and you can make payment for that. That's itemized payment. Then there are other things like fee invoice. Let me just show you a sample of the fee invoice, and then we can take it from there. So this is a sample of the student bill. So this is the bill. The school logo will appear, and then details of the bill. And this half tuition for crèche is a scholarship scheme, so that's why it's negative. So we deducted from the bills, and then that's that. You can print. There are several other things that you can do. Okay, so you can when we come to academics, so academics, you're able to handle your timetable. We have grading system where you can specify how much value that can automatically promote the students. They are all here. You can view the details. And grading system where you have excellent means, so on and so on. So we have all that there. And then we have attendance. You can take your attendance from here. We can either configure it to a biometric device like fingerprint or face recognition software. We can do that for you as well, whichever option that you take. We have assessment where you can create terminal reports. We have all that there. We have terminal reports. This is where you can print out your terminal report. Let me see if we can see a sample. If it's really there. Okay, so this is a sample. This is a sample terminal report. So you can see it on the screen. We have the school logo and then the student picture and the breakdown. Because I didn't add any data breakdown, you have the headmaster's details there as well, and that's that. So after that we have, so you can see we have a lot of features. It will take time to go through all of them. We have store management where you can store your books, school uniform. You can manage inventory, and then you can issue them to reduce the quantity. We have library management. It's all there. I mean, we have a free payroll that we give you. Payroll, you are able to set up payroll for your staff, PYE calculations, NEET report, tax, all of them. It's all catered for here. You can process loans and all that. It's all done. I mean, and then we have reports like pay slip. We have pay slip. We have all the reports you need. And then when it comes to the school, we have so many reports, like financial report. You can see we have all this. You can look at outstanding report, student statement, payment summary, expenditure report, balance sheet, blah blah. Plenty of them. There are a lot. We cannot go through all of them. Admission reports. You can see all of them. We have student album, student demography, lots of them. We have okay, I've done academic report. Okay, score sheet. We have terminal report, access record. We have academic transcript, order of merit. We have all that there. We have library reports, store report, payroll reports, all that. So when we set you up, we'll take you through the training, and then we believe you enjoy using KlymaxERP, and it will reduce your stress and everything. Yes, lest I forget, we also have student portals that students can log in. Teachers portal, teachers can log in and put in their how do you call it, enter their marks of exam, or however you want to do it. We can set it up for you. Thank you.